Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create navigation bar in Flutter, and I'm going to use Qubit for the state management. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create new file. Let's say root screen dot that file. Okay, now let's create stateless widget. Change the class name to root screen. Let's return here scaffold. Okay, now give the property bottom navigation bar, and give the list of navigation destination to this destination. Okay, change the icon. Let's say icons dot home. Okay, here let's give the label home and copy it, paste it few more times. Okay, change this to, let's say, sorts. Sorts. Change this to contact. Sorry. Yeah, you can use this contact page. Contact, and let's change this to settings. Settings. Okay, perfect. Now open up the vendor.file and let's remove this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget and change the class name to my app. Give the material app here. Give the home to the material app, that root screen we have just created. Perfect. And we'll get this navigation bar here. Now let's remove this banner also by making this debug show check mode banner to false, and it will remove this banner. Okay, now let's add the Flutter block package. Run this command flutter pub add Flutter block to use the qubit. Okay, now if you open up the pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now inside the leaf folder, let's create new folder qubits, and inside here let's create new file. Let's say NavCubit or that file, and let's create the qubit class. Okay, to create this automatically, you have to download the extension, this one, block extension. Okay, now let's send the class name to NavCubit, and for this one also. Okay, now import the qubit flutter block package. Just press Ctrl and dot and give the type here. It's going to be int, and initially let's make it to 0. Okay, now create the function. I'm gonna say, let's say top change. Yeah. Okay, now provide the selected index here and emit the state. Okay, now let's change the state. Give this new selected index, new integer. Okay, initially it's 0, and after we provide the selected index, it's going to be the respected index. Okay, so now let's open up the root screen again, and first of all let's open up the main.dart file, and let's wrap this. Okay, let's code this, and type here multi-block provider, and give the list of block provider. Okay, provide here that NavCubit. Now we have just created, and for the child give the material app, and give the root screen to the material app. Okay, now open up the root screen again, and let's remove this, let's cut this scaffold. Okay, type here block builder, and return that scaffold. We have just copied. Leave the semicolon here. Okay, perfect. We got the error because we have to give here. Okay, give here NavCubit, and give the type also. It's integer. It's the state. Okay, so from here we get the current state. So we can change that by just inside here, inside this navigation bar, type on destination selected, and come up here, and let's define the provider. Let's say nav provider goes to context dot read, and give the NavCubit. Okay, now from here we can give the new value. It's going to give the new value. Okay, type nav provider dot change nav, and for this selected index now give this new value. Okay, and save it, and here you go. And currently it's not working because we have to give the selected index also, that particular state. Okay, here we can change this to index. Okay, now let's create a new folder, pages, and inside the pages folder let's create new file. I'm gonna say homepage dot file, and let's create stateless widget, and let's send the class name to homepage. Let's return here scaffold with the body center widget, and give the child text widget. Let's say here homepage. Okay, now open up the root screen, and here inside this build function let's define the list of pages, final pages. First one is going to be home page, and similarly you can create other pages. I'm going to show the widget over here like this. Give the child text. Let's say sorts. Okay, second tab, for the second tab. Now let's copy this and paste it here like this. And let's send this to contact. And this one to settings. Okay, now let's reload the app and give the body also that pages with the current state. Keep here current state, okay? That is coming from the qubit. Okay, now if you click on it, as you can see, tabs are working. This is how you can create navigation bar by using Flutter and by using the Flutter Bloc Cubit state management. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos.